Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Pour water into a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, add in 8 ounces or 250 grams of spaghetti and cook until it's al dente. While the spaghetti cooks, let's work on our savory beef sauce. Start by cutting up 1 onion. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Into the pan goes some olive oil. Then fry the onion in it for about 5 minutes until it's nice and soft. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like as it's the best reward from you. Then grate in 2 cloves of garlic. Add them to the onions. Next up, cut into small pieces, 10 ounces or 300 grams of beef meat. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comments. Toss the beef into the frying pan. Season it up with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Once the beef is browned, add in 25 ounces or 700 grams of canned tomatoes in their own juice. Then add 1 bay leaf and 1 cup of water. Give it all a good mix, then let it simmer over low heat for about 30 minutes to let those flavors meld together. When the pasta is ready, drain it and set it aside. Now transfer your rich and meaty beef sauce into a baking dish. add the spaghetti on top, and give it a good mix to coat everything evenly. Finally, grate up 2 ounces or 60 grams of Parmesan cheese. And sprinkle it over the top of the dish. Pop it into a preheated oven for 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is golden and bubbly. And there you have it. Our pasta is ready to be devoured. Let's dive in and give it a try. Trust me, you're going to love this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!